Hello everybody, this is the Sesto Elemento here, and as you saw from the title, it's finally time for another unboxing video, and I'm unboxing the Lamborghini Centenario. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Remember to keep it far away from you guys to see. Okay, it's on both sides. I hope you guys can see it. It looks on the camera, you guys can. No food trunk won't do it. Okay, wow, this tape. It really tightened it down. I got it now. Yay. Yep. Alright, so this is the remote. Very different remote from all the other RC cars. There's the manual. So it's these. Ow. Here it is. There we go. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. This is it right here, the Lamborghini Centenario. I shall see you for the test drive and track run and future drag races.